The case was filed by Satyaki Savarkar, the grandson of Veer Savarkar. Initially, the case was heard by Honorable JMFC Court, Akshi Jain ma'am. Accordingly, we had put up our evidences in the form of CD along with 65B certificate and transcript. The Honorable Court at that time, prior to issuance of summons, had verified each and every evidence which we had provided. Later on, the case being against a member of parliament was transferred to court number 9, that is Honorable Shinde Court. Recently, when Satyaki Savarkar, the complainant, entered into his evidence, that is in witness box, it was requested to court that the CD containing the defamatory speech delivered by Shri Rahul Gandhi was to be produced in court and was to be played. But surprisingly, the same CD which earlier court had observed was found blank. It was not operated. Reason known to court, as it was in exclusive possession of that court. So, as we couldn't provide our evidence, hence we requested the court that 2 more CDs were provided to court, one for defense advocate and one for court, that is on court record. It was under production application, but somehow that CD is also missing. Again, it was in possession of Honorable Court, so we had no access to it. So now it is the issue for research or investigation that we are requesting to that Honorable Court that judicial investigation and inquiry be made pertaining to these lost evidences. It seems that the CDs are not available, might be misplaced, that we don't know. So we have sought adjournment, as it is our right to produce each and every evidence that which we are relying upon it. But somehow it is not being found by court, so we will be demanding for judicial inquiry. Presently this is the situation, and for which we are requesting the court to adjourn the matter till some solution is found by either by court or by some other way. Next date is on 2nd. That day we have to file our say. Along with that, one more issue arose, as the defense counsel, that means who is representing Mr. Rahul Gandhi, he forwarded one application mentioning that earlier